Hey, my fellow car enthusiasts and model builders. So today we're going to look at the MPC Dodge Shelby Charger. So this is a re-released kit. MPC Round 2 has recently re-released it. It's, well, a Dodge Charger. When you think of Dodge Charger, you don't normally think of this, but this is the, I think, 84, 85, maybe 86 Dodge Charger. I'm not 100% sure, and I probably should have looked that up before I did it. So this old kit here comes with original box, which is very cool. This comes with the decals there to say Dodge Shelby Charger on the side. It's got two different engine options, two different wheel options. Then it's got some like rally lights you can put on the top and the bottom here. Well, I pretty much did it straight out of the box because I am a straight out of the box builder anyways. So I gotta tell you, this kit's pretty good. But let me show you what transpired. So, in a 3, a 2, a 1, we get, try it again. Take 2, a 3, a 2, a 1. Boom, on the floor. All right. So here is my version of the Dodge Shelby Charger. There you go. Let it focus in a little bit there. So it's a little wacky. So I painted it to me a purple because I thought the purple with the silver stripe would look kind of cool. And I have to admit, it does. I do really like that. Oh boy, this color is having a hard time focusing. Alright. Car goes together really, really well. The underneath here goes together well. The engine goes together well. Of course, when I want to take the hood off, the hood's not going to come off. The engine, straight out of the box. I had some problem with the hoses, so the hoses kind of fell down there. But nothing too bad. Interior, straight up. I just painted it gray with the purple inserts for the seats. And a purple stripe on the dashboard there. All goes together super simple. Super simple. See, I used the custom wheels on it because I thought that would have looked nice. One tire sits out a little further than the back rear tire does. Black washed the grill, black washed the little insert there on the hood. Did my best there to black wash the little vents on the side there. Alright, and then what happened? I decided to put the decals on. And let me tell you, these decals did not want to work at all. The top one worked pretty decent. The Shelby striping worked pretty good. Worked decently going around the front. The hood is just a shit show and a half. You can see where I hand painted. This looks like it ripped and flipped over. Hand painted here to fill in where it was just ripping. And I should have painted the bottom stripe, should have painted the top stripe. This back one here did not want to go. I have to repaint back here. It did not want to fold. It did not want to bend. I enjoyed this kit a lot until the decals happened. I would recommend not using the decals. It has the silver stripe and a blue stripe, because if you do it white, it had the Shelby blue stripe. I really enjoyed the silver and the purple, but if it was up to me, I would strip this down and redo this again, which maybe happen in the future. You can see the decal kind of not wanting to sit right along there. Like I said, I was very excited until the decals. I should have just left the decals off. I can't say enough about these decals, how bad they were to work with. If I were to do it again, I would paint the silver striping and just leave the Shelby stripe on the side. That would be it. But other than that, this model sits real nice. It's got a nice stance to it. It looks good. My front tires sit out a little far. I don't know if that's a model builder error or kit error. The lights on the back are nice. The bumpers went on very nice. Putting the body onto the chassis was super simple. Kind of snapped right into place there. Kind of just fit right in there, and it's a sturdy model. You pick it up, it's heavy. It's a brick. You don't hear anything rattling around. The chassis doesn't want to fall out of it. This is a very good model. I would love to redo it. All right, so like I said, great model. Mine didn't come out great because of the decals, and that's all I could say. Do I recommend it? Yes. Don't use the decals. What was the lesson today? Don't use the decals in this kit. So, here's my Dodge Shelby Charger. Or, yeah, Dodge Shelby Charger, is what it says on the box. The Shelby Charger. What an ugly little car. I don't know much about it. I'm presuming, being a front wheel little four banger thing here, that this thing probably sucked in real life. There you go, focus in. I'm presuming that this car was just horrible and probably not worthy of the name Shelby or Charger. Alright everybody, that's all I got to say on this kit. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. There's always a lot of cool kits coming around. Alright everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope you have a good one.